All right, what's going on, guys? Dan here with Nisswa Marine. Happy New Year, and we got some super exciting news. In lieu of the boat show, we've decided to bring the boat show here to our store. That's right, we're gonna do back-to-back weekends starting next weekend, January 14th. We're gonna be showcasing all of our stock 2022 product and all of our used inventory as well. So in our main showroom, we're gonna be showcasing all of our new inventory. We're gonna have our Crest lineup, Premier, Supra, Moomba, MasterCraft. Now let's say you're in here, you love the boats, but you're not 100% on the colors. We're gonna be able to customize lots of order slots that we have coming in, so you have the ability to pick out the color and basically just design the dream boat for this coming spring. Now we understand it's cold outside, but the good news for you guys is all these boats are gonna be inside, indoors, away from the elements. That being said, let's send it up to Jeremy over in our 21,000 square foot indoor heated expanded showroom to see what's going on. Take it away, Jer.
Thanks, Dan. That's right, we're here in our 21,000 square foot showroom where we are highlighting over 100 boats here indoors on display here at the Minnesota Boat Showcase at Nisswa Marine. The advantage of this is you're gonna be able to see pre-owned inventory, pre-owned pontoons, surf boats, unlike you'll be able to do at any other boat show. So it's a wonderful time to take advantage, to come check us out here at Nisswa Marine. We have our incredible surf boat lineup over here to my left, our amazing pontoon lineup, everything from new and used Premier pontoons, Crest pontoons, and we have several used runabouts. So there's a boat here for everybody, I can assure you that.
All right, appreciate you guys watching. Looking forward to seeing you guys out at open house.
That's right, January 14th and 15th and January 21st and 22nd. We'll be here, free parking, refreshments, snacks, here at the Minnesota Boat Showcase at Nisswa Marine.